clock that was ticking in my home. Changed my state of mind.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Love so hard to find.
we got him.
Hey guys, and it's time to bring it on. Samsung is going all in, making fun of Apple and Chinese OEMs in a series of Galaxy Note 9 event teasers. Now we know everything about the Note 9 from its design to specifications and even the potential pricing. We just got leaked a couple of hours ago with the Galaxy Note 9. If you pre-order, you will be getting some goodies. So the official pricing could be around $900 to $950. In case you still don't know, August the 9th is the official event day for the Galaxy Note 9 announcement, and Samsung is now making fun of Apple and Chinese OEM in their new series of teasers named A Lot Can Change in a Day. Plus, they made fun of Apple specifically even more, which we'll see later on. Now, before we see the teasers, a quick look at Samsung's official statement regarding the Galaxy Note 9. On August the 9th in New York City, Samsung Electronics will unveil a device that will allow you to get the most out of everything you do. The newest addition to the Galaxy family's most premium line has been optimized from the inside out to keep up with users' busy lives with technologies that raise the bar for smartphone power, performance, and speed. Together, these enhancements will make Samsung's newest flagship its most powerful yet and the only device you need to manage work, play, and everything in between. So Galaxy Note 9 is your most complete Samsung phone ever. It checks pretty much every box that you can think of: battery, display, performance. Like on paper, this thing is amazing, and also in reality it's gonna have the best and the most awesome features on any Samsung phone. Samsung has probably done some software enhancement, particularly with the Bixby 2.0, which Ice Universe says that it is really improved and worth waiting for. And of course, the S Pen is improved as well with Bluetooth connectivity. We actually got some live images of the S Pen side by side with the previous S Pen, and it has a blue tip on yellow color. The blue tip is the symbol for the Bluetooth. So in terms of the design, the S Pen is still similar to the old one, but with the help of the new colors, you will be able to differentiate between the new and the old S Pen. So overall, in Samsung words, it's gonna be enough for everything. Now let's take a look at the official Galaxy Note 9 event teasers. The obvious strong point of the Note 9, which we haven't seen on any of the previous flagship phones from Samsung, is its battery. And yes, in case you don't know, the Galaxy Note 9 will going to have the largest battery ever seen on a Note phone or any Samsung flagship phone. It's coming at 4,000 mAh cell, and it's surely going to last long. So in the teaser, you can see a phone which is not an iPhone with the physical look, but software does look a lot like iOS. Basically, they're taking shots at Apple. The iPhone 10, it really isn't that good battery wise. Of course, the iPhone 10 Plus this year will bring the ultimate heat, but yeah, the 10 is not that great. And this also includes the Chinese phones as well, just pretty much showing that all those phones are not that good battery wise. And ironically, this does include the Galaxy Note 8 as well, which is also not that impressive. Moving on is storage. Now Note 9 is expected to offer 128GB of storage by default, which is amazing. With the iPhone 10, you get 64GB of internal memory with the base model for $1,000, and it actually runs out pretty quick in 2018 because these apps that we use, they start to take a lot of space at time. And I mean, really, for 2018 standards, 64GB is actually not a lot. So Galaxy Note 9 will going to have 128GB of storage with added external SD card slot. So you can even buy a 512GB model as well, which will be launching in selective markets. And the final one is taking a shot at Chinese phones for their lack of performance, and it's titled "Phones Too Slow." Now we know Snapdragon 845 will be inside of the Galaxy Note 9, and it's really good. It performs really fast. It has faster download speeds compared to the iPhone because of a faster modem. After all these teaser Note 9 shots, we can conclude that the Galaxy Note 9 will going to have a solid battery, performance, and lots of storage compared to the competition. These are the three strong points of this phone, and other than that, the design and all that stuff is similar to the Note 8. Now, other than these teasers, Samsung has a whole ingenious series to roast Apple, talking about the notch, that it takes the space on the display while watching content, of course, which you won't ever see on Galaxy S9 or any other Samsung phone in the future, because oh boy, they have made it perfectly clear in this roast that the notch will never be the fate of a Samsung Galaxy. So they're roasting them, showing off the notch family. First this was this guy, then this kid, and now we have this girl. What is that? Then Samsung proceeds to roast the storage on the iPhone because there is no way you can put an external SD card on your iPhone, which you only get on the Galaxy S9. And finally, the speed. Yes, this is a big one. The Galaxy S9 uses the Qualcomm's latest modem, and apparently it's about 25% faster than Intel's chips found inside the iPhone 10. Apparently, there was some issue between Apple and Qualcomm. They refused to use Qualcomm modems for the future iPhone models as well, which could mean that the cellular speeds will still be 25 to 30% faster on the Galaxy S9 and the Note 9 eventually. Also, a very exciting news is that with the Galaxy Note 9, you won't be needing a Samsung DeXpad in order to connect it to your TV. All you need, because now you will be able to connect your Galaxy Note 9 to a bigger display with the help of a simple USB Type-C cable and a DisplayPort adapter. However, without the docking station, you won't be able to charge the phone at the same time. And also, Samsung DeX Station actually cools down the phone when the phone is in use when playing high quality media. So yes, it's possible to use the Note 9 without DeX. If you don't want to buy the Samsung DeX, fine. You can still connect your phone via USB Type-C, but if you want to have USB ports and you want to have the phone charging at the same time as well, then it's definitely better to go with the Samsung DeX. Now, if you are a Fortnite lover, you are gonna love the Note 9 even more because it's coming with Fortnite game exclusively. According to the news, the Fortnite for Android will be launched alongside the Note 9, but it will be exclusive to the Galaxy Note 9 for the first 30 days, and on September 23rd, it will get launched for the rest of Android world. Now, if you're gonna pre-order the Galaxy Note 9, you will going to receive $100 to $150 of cash in Fortnite game currency. So Note 9 is an incredibly amazing phone, the best Samsung phone for the current time. It's the most perfect as well, but it isn't for everyone, especially those who are on the Galaxy Note 8. Highly recommend to go for the Note 8 and save some cash for the Galaxy S10, which is still about 6 months away. So that is plenty of time that you can spend with your Note 8 and then buy the S10, which is going to have the biggest changes that you're ever going to find on a Samsung phone. So I'm really excited for that. I've covered up some recent news which you can check out on my channel. But yeah, this is all regarding the Galaxy Note 9. Hopefully, Samsung will deliver all of these promises that they have made in these teasers. But again, let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter if you haven't, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.